guys, another 3 o'clock stand down. So I'm going to show you guys what I've been working on today. Started out working in the IDF room, putting in a switch that I've never done before, which has 2 inputs for continuous power and normal power. So if normal power goes out, it switches to emergency power, or vice versa. If emergency power goes out, then it switches to normal. But I mean, it's always probably going to go off normal. So I worked on putting in that switch in this room, and then I was going to put in these lights right here, but the grid is facing the wrong direction, so that got skipped. But this is the layout right here. 6 lights, half on emergency power, half on normal power. Before that, I was working on these 5 can lights right here in the other room. Cut these holes, lasered it, cut the holes. I worked on putting in 2 or 3, and the other couple guys helped me out with there. Got that all finished up. And then right now, in between all that other stuff, I'm working on these occupancy sensors in this back office room. So I have to cut this one and this one. Just cut that one. About ready to throw it up, but I'll probably cut the second tile, throw them up in the ceiling, throw the spreader bars up, throw up the spreader bars in the boxes, and then from there, I think I'm going to actually start running the wire and tying in the power packs to the lighting circuits and try to find those for the room. And that's probably going to finish out the rest of my day from now till 4:15. All right, stopped at the store on the way home. Got a few items for $20 over here. But free pie from work. Thank you so much. This thing's almost 5 pounds. It's crazy. I can't even pick it up with one hand. Like, it's so heavy. But that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I forgot to grab a clip of the can lights that we hung. They're on already. And the 2x2s as well that I started working on the first day that I was there, I think. So I'll grab a clip of that in the morning if I remember. But that's it. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for a sneak peek of something coming. So stay tuned for that. Boom. Okay, I've been waiting so long for that, like years. So haven't played that game in like 20 years or more. So I'm gonna play this as an electrician and see how I do. So anyways, that's it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Working overtime tomorrow on Friday. Love you guys. Peace. So I'll throw you guys a 50-hour paycheck video next Wednesday. So stay tuned for that. All right, guys. Peace.